Welcome back to my channel. Hello guys, I'm Samriddhi Sharma and today I'll be discussing about the CS curriculum. So computer science includes, like I have already discussed with you, and I really hope that you must have seen my video related to difference between CS and IP. So today I am going to discuss about CS, what all topics we are going to discuss in it. So as I told you earlier that CS hold Python. Now your CS subject, it is divided into two parts: 70 marks theory paper and 30 marks for the practical. So we'll talk about 70 marks. Now in the theory paper, there are three different units we'll be discussing about. The first is computational and programming skills. Second is your data network, computer networks, and the third is your database management system. Now we'll be discussing what is there in the first unit. So first unit is computational and programming thinking part 2, which includes your revision of Python, which we have already done in grade 11. You must have done in grade 11th, and I'll be discussing all those topics in your in my further videos, which will include the topics like the basic structure of the computer program. It will hold what is list, what is tuple, what is dictionary, what is the basic control structure, how do statements execute in Python, what and which type of statement is used in different set of programs. It also includes data file handling, how many types of files are there to store the data which we take from the user in Python. So we'll be discussing all these things in my different videos. So second unit holds your computer network, which is related to anything and everything you'd see next to you. This is the world of internet, and we're using internet in every possible way. So it holds everything related to internet, the protocols, the different type of devices, transmission media, topologies, or the way we represent the network in a particular organization or outside organization or in the world. Third unit comprises of database management structure, which is more about SQL and how we store database, how we add database, how we can add the database, update, modify, or change the database. Any sort of changes we need to do, like in day-to-day life, we make Excel sheets, we store data inside it. In time to time, we need to change also those database. So everything this MySQL part will be including. Now, including these three structures, we get a 70 marks paper, which is obviously meant to score good marks in your CBSE board exams. Now, if we talk about only computational and programming thinking part 2, which includes, like I said, Python and everything related to Python, it also includes stacks, which is a part of data structure. So it includes stacks, which is using Python. How can we implement stack in the programming? So for all these, I'll be coming up with my few more videos, and you can get all your answers in my next video. Thank you.